Hello everyone, this is Riddhi Tavre from Gossipfunda. Fixing 403 forbidden errors. Now let us see the way that we can fix this error quickly and easily. To solve this error, you have to go to the Start menu and then in the search box you have to search for Control Panel. After searching in the Control Panel, you have to go to the View By, and where there is written Category, you have to change it to Large Icons. After that, you search for Networking and Sharing Center and click on it. Then you go to the connection that you have. Over here, my connection is Wi-Fi. After clicking it, click on the Properties section. In the Properties section, scroll down and simply uncheck the box where it is written as Internet Protocol version 6 TCP/IPv6, and this will solve the error. Thank you for watching the video. Hope that it has enlightened you with some cool tips and tricks. Do like, share and subscribe to Gossipfunda. Do not forget to put your query in the comment section below. For more such amazing contents, do visit gossipfunda.com, link in the description.